Okay, so here's how you can blur a face in CapCut on your computer. So first, make sure to import your video file. We want to blur this face right now. So import this video, then copy this exact video again to your second timeline. And now you want to go to effects and type in blur. Then just use the second effect, so this normal standard blur effect, and now drag this blur effect over the whole second video. And now mark the two top layers and right click and create a compound clip. Now we have this complete blurry picture and we want to just select the upper clip right now and go to the mask. On mask you have different options. If you want to cover a license plate, for example, you should use this rectangle. We want to blur this face right now, so just go to your cycle mask and now you can resize this mask and drag it over the person's face. As you can see, the face is covered fully, but at this point when the picture is moving, we have this blurry effect on the left side and not on the face itself. So what you can do is just click on the first picture and go to add a keyframe on the top right. Now just move the slider and take a look where the blur is of the face. So just reposition this blur effect again and again, and now you should be good to go. If you just started editing with CapCut, click on this video and I will guide you through step by step to master CapCut in under 30 minutes.